We're gonna do a series of 3 boards on a narrow base so we can kind of show you guys the natural flex of each one of these baseboards. So here we have our BBO Engineered Lightweight Wood, straight, solid, and most importantly, super light. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the MDF. Let's go to the floppy one. Woo! All right, that was kind of a little bit of work just getting this over here. MDF, a similar piece, is about 67 pounds as compared to the 35 pounds for the BBO lightweight baseboard. You've got your classic MDF hump here. All right, you guys can see, basically goes like this. MDF, if you want heavy, it's good. If you want bendy, this is the right material for you. So let's go ahead and, this is 92% heavier than the BBO Engineered Lightweight Baseboard. All right, so let's go ahead and pull up our third candidate, premium plywood. So here we have premium plywood. You can see that it's straighter than MDF, but the comparable sheet, the same amount of material that it makes a baseboard for BBO is 47 pounds, which is 38% heavier than the BBO lightweight solid wood baseboard. This would be a good choice, right? The MDF is definitely the worst choice, but in terms of stability and ease of handling the BBO lightweight baseboard, there's really no comparison. So those are basically your 3 options in terms of poker tables that are available.